This is the legit platform I was talking about that we can use to make money online up to $100 every single day. And immediately after whatever that's going to show after now, I'm going to reveal the name of this website to you. Because I promised to tell you the name of the website at the intro of this video, the name of this website is over at... Did you hear that? Again, the name of this website is at... If you did not hear the name, that means you were doing something else. You're not listening properly. So it's your fault, but don't worry. I'm going to give you one more chance to hear the name of this website. But before then, this website is a pretty new website that is on the internet that most people are taking use of to make hundreds of dollars, if not even hundreds of dollars every single day. And with the secret strategy I showed on this video that I showed up right here, I show you a strategy that even people using this strategy or this website, this platform, I don't even know about. So you watching this video and also this one that is linked in the card or in the description of this video will really help you to start making up to $100 every single day. Nice. And I must say that this website is not one of those other websites or all those other platforms that you have to do some tasks to make money online, and then after your effort do you not get your money off the website. But this platform is actually a make money online site where you can play games, do menial job, watch ads and still get paid. So a sneak peek into this video that is listed up here is actually a part of this website that will pay you up to $10 per ad you watch. So if you are my previous subscriber or if you've watched this video on my channel before, don't worry, this is going to be an updated version of that video. This platform is actually pretty new. I've used it myself in the past when I was still trying to come up to make a decent amount of money to start running ads and start doing other things that fetches me and my team more money every single month. And this make money online platform is really free and can contain anybody from whatever country you are coming from. And when I even signed up for my own account, I used an African account, so a African detailed account, so I was able to log in. Therefore, you can sign up for this platform from wherever you are in the world and start making decent amount of money from this website daily, hourly, or whatever you want. It's left to you to determine how you want to make money with this website. If you want to know if PTC share is real, please no. So if you want to know if PTC share is really real, if you go to their front landing page, you are going to find a list of people using this website and cashing out their money into their Bitcoin wallet, their bank account, or their PayPal account. So my friends, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the inside with more money.
But you can't let this money dance. You can't get this money dance. You can't have this money dance. You can never dance this money dance. How you do the money dance? Me like say I do money jazz. I